Yo, what is up guys, how are you? Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we will be unboxing the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So these came away free with my dad's new S25 Ultra, which we ordered for him as a gift. And we'll be surprising him with it today. And an unboxing video of that should also come out in the near future. I don't know when I'm gonna finish editing it. So yeah. Okay, if we look over here on the back, we see two tabs that we can just pull in either direction. So we're gonna pull that tab up and pull. Man, I was expecting that to be way more satisfying, but this one's gonna be better. Okay. Ooh, okay, that's nice. Okay, now we will be pulling the other one. There we go. Hey, let's take a look inside. Oh damn, that's nice. Okay, so we'll put that aside, and for now we're gonna look at what comes as the accessories with it. So as you can see, we get a Type-C charging cable. You can also put that aside, and with that we also get instruction manuals and more instruction manuals. Nope, we get a warranty card as well, and nothing else, and that's just the base. So yeah, that's all that comes with it. Okay, if you take a look inside at the actual earbuds, the earbuds are really nice. To even touch, it just feels really nice. In terms of that, it is also really good. Oh, that's nice. My PC and tablet are automatically giving me notifications to pair with it, which is quite nice. So let's connect and take a look at the audio. Okay, so now I have connected the earbuds to my iPad, tablet, whatever, the Samsung S6 Lite, and the noise cancellation is actually crazy. Like, I can also tell that the words I'm speaking is actually like being recorded and almost coming through the speaker. But now we're gonna play the audio to see how it is. Okay, let's higher the volume to see the. Okay, so the highest volume is really loud, and I can't hear me speak either, which is really good. And the beats hit really hard as well, so I think these are really good earbuds. So the notes hit really loud, and everything about these are just really good, as well as these LEDs that get on, but like I don't know when they get on. But yeah, honestly, these are one of the best earbuds I've heard through. My daily use earbuds right now are Fast Track FD3s, which I do not know where they are at this moment of time, but I shall find it. Okay, here they are. So these are my daily use earbuds currently. As you can see, they are pretty nice. They're from Fast Track, an Indian company. So yeah, and now it's playing music on my phone. But yeah, I think these are personally better than those. In terms of fit, I think I do need smaller ear tips. That is one thing. But they don't come with any ear tips. But one thing I do see, the ear tips sort of like can't be changed. Like the actual ear tips are set in this shape, so that is fine. Like, it's not too bad, but it is slightly on the loose end. I mean tight end, so yeah. But yeah, no, these are genuinely really nice, and stay tuned for my unboxing for the S25 Ultra.